Alright guys, today I'm replacing the little bushing on the shifter cable on this 2015 Ford Escape. This is my neighbor's car. I bought the part for him and this was $12 on Amazon. So basically it's pretty simple. You just got to remove the air box and intake tube, which is this little short piece right here, and it's right there. You can see that it's broken, so disintegrated, it's falling apart. And his problem was that his car got stuck in reverse. I think he would put the car in park, but the transmission would be technically in reverse, and he couldn't shift out of reverse. So today we're just gonna replace that real quick for him. This is, like I said, very simple. It should take no longer than 10 minutes. You just need like 7mm socket to remove the to loosen up the clamp bolt, and then you just remove the air box. And I told him to go get a new air filter, because this is what his air filter looked like. That looks like a sea monster. I think it got wet, and it's not dirty, but it got wet and it shriveled up like that. Looks like a caterpillar. Anyways, he's at the auto port getting a new air filter, and when he gets back, we're gonna put a new air filter in it too. So right now I'm just gonna get the rest of the old bushing out of here. See if we can get it out. There you go. And this new one came with a pack of grease and very simple instructions. Apply some pressure. It says apply a small amount of grease, put the new bushing on the appropriate angle, and apply some pressure, then wipe off the excess grease after installation, and then put the little cap on. So we're gonna do that. Put a little bit of grease in there. I guess it's supposed to be so the bushing goes in smoothly. Spread the grease. Now I think the bushing goes upwards like this. You kind of got to go in at an angle. There you go. It's in. We're gonna go ahead and snap it in place. I don't think I need to put grease in the. I'm just gonna wipe it off a little bit. And we're gonna snap it in place. There you go. Snapped in place. Now we're gonna put the little cap that came with it. I don't even know if this one had a cap on there or not, but this came with a cap. Hopefully it'll fit. Okay, looks like it's in. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. Takes 10 minutes. You just remove the air box, remove the old bushing, put a little grease in there, and snap it in place, and then you just snap it on the shifter. Put the airbags back in. I gotta wait for him to come back with the air filter. Like I said, look at this. And then we're gonna put this back together. So it shouldn't be that difficult to remember. Just put the airbags back in, connect your mass airflow sensor, and this goes on the tube here, and you'd be good to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel, comment down below, ask any questions you may have, and hope they help you out. Remember, if you can't get your car out of park, or if your shifter just goes down and nothing's changing, your transmission doesn't shift, it doesn't necessarily mean it's your transmission. You can just go down here, and if this cable is loose, if it came off, then your bushing in there is bad and you just need to replace that. Like I said, that was a $12 part on Amazon. He bought the whole cable, but I told him that that's too much work. We're just gonna replace the bushing and it's gonna work just as good. So that's what we did. So this is a 2015 Ford Escape with a 2.5 liter. Anyways, that's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, comment down below, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.